Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz, and today I am unboxing the Boxycharm Premium subscription box for the month of August. If you haven't heard about this monthly subscription box, I will leave some information in the description box below. Due to the lack of comments in the previous video, this week I don't have a Bebecita shout out, and that's okay. Maybe you guys aren't into that sort of thing, and I get it. However, if you do want a future Bebecita shout out, watch until the end of this video for the question of the week. Answer it in the comment section, and I might choose you for a personal message in next week's video. If this is your first time watching one of my unboxings, welcome, beautiful. I do hope you stay a while so that I can show you what I get in my subscriptions, and also to share some important messages of hope, love, motivation, and perseverance. I don't know the answers to everything, but I do know one thing for sure, and that is that we are here on this earth at this exact moment in time to be a light and to shine in the darkness. Please take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, but mostly because I would love to have your support while we embark on this journey. I need your help to reach as many little hearts out there as I can and have my messages reach the moon. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this week's message for you. Let me begin with some questions. How much importance are you giving to money and material things? Are wealth and riches your definition of success? Is shopping for new clothes, bags, shoes, and makeup your main source of happiness? To some extent, I think we all enjoy a little retail therapy. We do a little shopping after a bad day at work, or maybe after a great day as well, because we deserve it, right? But what happens if we keep buying and buying and buying, and we're still not happy? We now have a closet full of brand new clothes, but the emptiness is still there. Money is not only a valuable resource, it is a basic necessity. Having enough of it can make us feel safe and secure. Feeling like we don't have enough can make us feel unworthy. We can't let our thoughts about money or the lack thereof consume us. We can't let money define us. And we definitely cannot let greed lead our lives. Instead, let's shift our focus away from accumulating money towards the bigger picture, and let's take control of how we view our personal possessions so that we can find other ways to obtain happiness and security. I want you to take some time to reflect on your own personal relationship with money. What are your spending habits like? Are you constantly living paycheck to paycheck? Do you overspend on things that you know you can't afford? Or are you constantly thinking of how you don't have enough? Do you keep wanting more and more? When do you think it will be enough? Once you have a clearer idea of what you need to change, find out how to do it. There are plenty of resources online to help you find ways to manage your money. Find the best one to suit you. You need to be true to yourself and begin by making small changes to your daily life because you deserve it. That is all for now, Bebecitas. I hope this video met you at a time when you needed to hear those words. Leave me a sweet comment down below and share with us what makes you happy that is not money or a material possession, and I might choose you for next week's Bebecita shoutout. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening and for watching. I look forward to the next time we meet again. Until then, I love you and stay blessed.